Balik ko na kayo na update sa aking chicken curry. Nagluto tayo ngayon ng chicken curry, guys. For hapunan kasi may nabili kaming isang buong chicken, diba, nung nagpunta kami ng Aldi. So, ang ginagawa ko is nag-chicken curry na lang kami. Kahapon pumunta kami ng Borough Market, may nabili akong curry powder. Ganito siya, oh. Ayan yung ating nabili. Hot Caribbean style curry powder. Malapit na siya maluto. Tapos yung ating peppers na dyan. Tignan natin kung kasi kung hindi, lagyan natin ng green pepper. Mukhang mabango naman siya at masarap. Tignan natin na kung this man going home. Going home dito. Ilagay natin yung ating bell pepper kasi luto na yan. Luto na yan. Sure ba? Huh? It's always it's my sister been cooking this, Annie. Yeah, I've never been cooking chicken curry. We had chicken curry, but Jisa was cooking it, not me.
Yeah.
Tingnan natin kung masarap yung chicken curry natin. Lagyan ko pa kasi yung chili. You like hot spicy, right?
Yeah. What? Right, yeah. She's got a bit of fish on to throw curry on it.
Yung stand ko kasi sa aking vlogging, sa aking cellphone, guys, is nasira ko na naman.
Try the chicken curry, baby.
Enjoy, my darling. But you can pause it now.
It's not pulse.
It's not pause.
No.
Thank you.
Is it going to bring tears to your eyes, this curry?
Huh?
Is it going to bring tears to your eyes? So,
Get the big one, this one. This one because there's a big one. Do you like it? Is it good?
yeah. That's why I tried it before. Yummy. Spicy though.
It's good. Jisa is more tasty than cooking. That's why I'm like feel, you know, like not gonna be cooking because she's more nice cooking than me. How's your food like?
Very nice.
You can hear the bone cracking. Show me your yummy faces, babe. Sarap. The sauce is very tasty, love. Nice.
It is.
Mapalaban tayo sa bukog.
Second night we've had spicy chicken.
Yeah, but this one is different. Don't worry, you still have a lot there. Charap. Another recipe unlock.
Yeah.
Yung naman cousin Jack Rivera, I don't know if she's watching because she keep watching my vlog.
Oh,
Jack Rivera.
yeah.
Yeah. I see her leave a comment on blogs.
Right.
Manang kalami sa mo chicken curry. Panalo si Mr. Ako manibsib pa.
Do what?
I see you're bravo. You're winner. Can you see the pin? Hmm? Be careful.
So you got your pin card. I need a wee.
Hindi na ako maundang. Pawa guys, oh. Pawa ni Mister ang iyang plato. Remember?
This one.
What are you doing?
I don't know. I don't know. I'm hungry and I don't know sure.
Someone's looking for snacks at midnight. Keep eating chocolate. Ang sweet ni Mr. kasi nilutuan tayo ng beans. Thank you.
Come on.
You want me to get a crisp tomorrow? Huh?
Yeah.
See? You can't live without crisp.
I can't. I just.
Of course you can't. Now and then.
Now and then.
Okay. I'll get some tomorrow, okay? Because we haven't been out today, we haven't been shopping.
Well, we didn't need to go shopping. That's why, did we?
I know, we don't need shopping.
We need to go get some rice. That's it.
Yeah, because no more rice. It's okay, I can still
Well, you got that emergency rice. Oh, come on, I want to go to bed. Eat your beans.
Okay, then good night.
The beans. Cook the beans for you, baby. Are you going to eat the beans?
I'm gonna eat that.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I don't think you're going to eat the beans. That's why you put
I
them on
will
the table.
eat. It's a good night.
Good night.
Good night to the guys.
Good night, John.